video. It's your boy KVLELP. I'm sorry I didn't get the video of this chapter 2 because I beat Chris with my Ford Mustang Unicorn and also her Ford Mustang Boss. So Kim says if I beat another one, I will be the best of all time. So let's go for the car select. And also we're gonna beat Daisuke 4 times again. Like seriously 4 times. So let's select the Ford Mustang, and also I'm gonna play with 2 fuel, and there's Kim. So let's see what she is gonna say. Alright, it wasn't easy, but I got you a race with Daisuke. Sorry about the wait. Let's go! Okay. There's Kim. Sorry, her name. There's Liz. Oh! Oh! I almost wrecked. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hello, Kim. Okay. Ooh. Whoa! Oh. Okay. Go for the nitro, and almost damage right there, and almost damage again, and I'll take the win. Let's see, this is it. One more race, and you're going in to challenge the best racers of Black Ridge. Ready to take off the training wheels? Ooh. Ready to take off the training wheels. Oh my. Now what? Hey. Now he got a colorful BMW. If I'm gonna beat him, that's it. So here we go. Final boss race in chapter 3. Now look at that BMW right there. And what he's gonna respawn? Black Ridge newest prodigy. I hate to break it to you, but most people don't make the cut. Yeah, I made it this far. And if you lose here, it's all for nothing. May the best racer win. Damn, I'm gonna upset you over there, boy. Perfect launch. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. We got the nitro. Let's go. I'm gonna beat him right now. You can't catch me. I'm the best racer, boy. XD. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. 60%, 63, 64, 65. And I think I'm gonna win it. You're too weak for that being. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Also a near miss. And we're gonna win it. Chapter completed! We did it! We beat the best racer in Black Ridge. Oh my goodness! Who is the king? Who is the best, boy? My gosh. Let's see what he's gonna respond. That was really something. You've got skill, real raw skill. I got no shame saying I lost you. Just don't go out there and make me look bad. Now go take on those joyriders. I'll send anyone looking for a driver your way. Dang! We just won it! Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! So, we just beat Daisuke. Oh my gracious. Car Series Tokyo Streets Unlocked. In Car Series Uber Subaru. Car Series Black Back Streets. In Car Series German Precision. There's more. And Car Series Hoonigan. Wow! And Car Series Laser Beamers. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So what a race. Like, oh my. We're inside the Car Series. You're in. I can't wait to help you push your cars to their top performance. Car Series celebrates one type of car, so expand your collection to race them all and win the best parts. The Black Ridge crews don't race here, but they won't ignore the rep you get. You'll soon be the guy to beat. So let's check them all. So there it is. Tokyo Streets, Rush Hour, Car Select. But, you know, and also the Uber Subaru. I think that's easy chapter. And back streets right there. And we got the German Precision. Also, my favorite one, Car Series Hoonigan. Got my Ford Hoonigan right there. Car Series Laser Beamers. So the next one is Hachiroku, Fiesta, The Boss and the General, 180 Degrees, Fashion Pack or Festion Pack, Classic Beauties, Coupe Troop, Super Duper, Sports Classics, East vs West, King Kaiju. That's sort of like a Godzilla or something. Car Series Horsepower, Mad Muscle, Red Horizon, Blacklisted, Chevy Weight Champion, Call 911, Muscle Hustle, Wild Stallion, Hell Riders, 4-Leaf Clover, Speed Demon, The Beast, Diecast Dynamos, got Lunar Rise, Supersonic Sports, there's the Corvette, Autobahn Overdrive, Mercedes Sprint, HE Nissan, what? Racing Stripes, Brawn vs Brains, Snakebite, The Track Machine, Extreme Evolution, Neon Lights, Quicksilver, Super Cubes, Modern Class, Viva Italia, Lightweight Legends, The Masterpiece, Gold Standard, Onion Jack, Hypnotic, Exotics, Battle Italia, The Fast and the Ferocious, Mediterraneo, Breakthrough, there's a Lamborghini Aventador, Crown Jewels, Anniversario, that Lamborghini Centenario and Veneno, Hyperspace, Stratosphere, Fuse and Force, Road and Track, Need for Light Speed, Thunderstorm, Track Record, Snake in the Grass, and last but not least, that guy over there, that's the Koenigsegg and the Hennessy, the Titans. Wow. I like this Car Series. It's the best of all time, but yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 Car Series got unlocked. So that's the end of the video. So that's it, guys. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.